Let's see how we can connect two wires using a solder joint. First, I'm going to clean about 1 inch of the outer casing of the wire using a wire stripper. And I'm going to repeat that process to the other wire as well. To start soldering, let's put our heat shrinking tubing in. Then, to ensure a strong mechanical connection, I'm going to form a loop in both ends of the wire. And I'm going to put the other end of the wire through that loop. And I'm going to wrap the wire within itself. You can see there is a strong mechanical connection between the two wires. Then I'm going to fix it using the helping hands so that it is easy to solder. And I took the soldering iron and I'm waiting for the soldering iron to heat up so that you could see in the screen now the temperature is correct. And I'm going to clean the soldering iron, and then I'm going to touch the tip to the wire, and when the wire is heated up you can see the solder melt and the solder joint is being made. If there is excess solder, you can clean it up using the soldering iron. And now to cover the solder joint, I am going to place the heat shrink tube to the proper position. And I'm going to fix it using the helping hand. And I'm going to take my hot air gun and heat up the heat shrinking tube. And you can see the heat shrinking tube shrinking and fitting it into the right posture. This way you can safeguard your solder joint so that it is not exposed to the external environment.